Okay, guys. So last time we had finished the coloring of the drawing as well. So in this part, I'm going to be going over the aura. So for the aura, we need the blue pencil and some soft pastels. So I'm going to draw the rough shape of the aura lightly. Then I'm going to darken it up so that you guys can see it clearly. Okay, so after I have outlined the entire aura, it will look somewhat like this. Next you need to smear the soft pastels around the paper like this. And okay, I'm going to take some blue from here and some white from here, and I'm going to mix them both just to give it a lighter shade. And with the white color, I'm going to go ahead and outline Goku. And it doesn't matter if it gets into the skin, because you actually have to do it afterwards, which I'll show you how to do. Take more white and less blue. Okay, so after that your drawing should look like this. I'm just going to go ahead and give Goku a nice background. Next, what you need to do is you need to take the blue color and this time apply it more in number than white and just smear it over the aura. Okay, so I've given the Goku's aura with an outline. Now I'm going to take the soft pastel and I'm going to hold it like this and just give it an outline. Okay, so what I did is I mixed up the entire color and applied it on my hand and then just applied it on the paper. Now for a bit more of that thing, shine, I'm going to apply white fully on my paper and then just take it on my little finger and apply it around Goku. If you want, you can take the color directly, which I'm going to do now, if you don't want to waste much time. And give Goku a nice outline with the white pastel. Okay, so I have given Goku an outline with the white pastel and I am going to smudge it with my fingers. And yes guys, so the aura is pretty much ready, but I want some lines in between Goku's body just to give it that lightning effect, which I am going to do right now. As you can see, I'm going to take the white and then the blue soft pastel and just create some lightning like effect coming out from his body. Okay guys, so this is pretty much it, how you have to draw the aura. And yeah, there is one step remaining which might be a lot hard and it might not be a process which you want to do, and that is taking the charcoal eraser and rubbing off the excess smear on the paper. So that was it for this tutorial guys, and this is the end of how to draw Goku Super Saiyan Blue, and I think this was part 3. So if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.